Okay.
I don't know.
Why are we not getting the thing?
Hey, don't get wet up.
And the cave. Icy, icy, icy. Look. It's happening. Icy, icy, icy. Like there's ice falling. Look. Ice falling from the sky. Yeah. Subscribe, like that button, and comment down below. And see more of our channel. Ice falling from the sky is true or not? It's actually true. I'm not kidding. It's actually ice. You can take a close look. It's actually ice. It's actually cold. Do you think people are dropping it? If there's people up there and dropping it in people's heads.
His ice cube all over the grass. Can you see it?
Something more of these ices. It's very big. Very cold. Ow. Good. These are 4 of the biggest ice cubes we found. The biggest one is this, and it's actually really cool. When you pick the ice in for long and you keep it in one hand for long, it hurts your hand.